In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Claude AI to chat and work faster. We'll go from a quick Google search to crafting a clear prompt and submitting it, so you get organized, useful results fast. Claude is a conversational AI that can summarize, draft, and plan. The secret to speed is giving it focused instructions and context. Open your web browser and head to Google. In the search box, type Claude AI. On the results page, look for the official site that references the Claude chatbot, usually at the Claude.ai domain, and click it. You should land on a page where you can start a new chat. If you're asked to sign in or continue, just follow the on-screen prompts. Once you see the message box, you're ready to write to Claude. Now let's compose a strong prompt. In the message box, type something like, "Turn this idea into a clear project plan." Idea: launch a weekly AI newsletter that shares simple AI tips, powerful prompts, new tools, and small experiments to help beginners work faster and smarter. Include a short overview, goals, timeline, roadmap, task list, and next steps. Keep it simple and actionable. This prompt works because it gives context, states the outcome you want, and clearly lists the sections to include. The clearer you are about structure, audience, and tone, the better the first draft will be. When you're happy with the wording, click Submit. Claude will generate a response that follows the structure you provided. Read it carefully and check that each requested section is present and useful. If something needs adjusting, ask for a concise revision. For example, you can say, "Tighten the timeline to 4 weeks, make the roadmap milestone-based, or expand the task list with estimated effort." Small, targeted follow-ups quickly sharpen the output without starting over. If the draft feels too generic or lengthy, ask for a shorter version in your voice. Add your niche or tools, or provide a quick example to emulate. You can also request formatting in your prompt, such as short headings, numbered steps, or a table, if that helps you act on the plan. When the result looks right, copy it into your notes or project tool and keep your original prompt saved for reuse with future ideas. That's the whole flow. Search for Claude, open the official site, write a clear, structured prompt, and submit it. With a few minutes of setup and precise wording, you'll chat more effectively and get work-ready drafts faster every time you use Claude.